enough garage. And this is the ultimate wood hauling truck. So this is my 1979 Chevy Bonanza 3/4 ton, long bed variety, built for hauling wood. When you haul as much as I do, you need the power. And sorry to tell you, but there's no replacement for displacement. That's why this baby comes equipped with a 350 cubic inch Chevy, packed full of Chuck Norris kicks. Probably wondering how I get all that power to the ground. Well, I got these 750/16 bias plies on here. Give me all the traction I'll ever need. You'll also notice it has dual music pipes on it for maximum flow, and when I put my foot to the floor, it sounds almost as good as Leonard Skinner singing Freebird. When you're hauling a heavy load, you don't want to be squatting, because squatting ain't cool. So how many leaf springs do you need? Oh, I don't know, all of them. This thing also comes equipped with a headache rack, because when I go into woodchuck mode, I might just send one right through this back glass. I'm going to show you just how well it does protect. That's why this truck is the ultimate wood hauling truck. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.